channel. Today, I'm going to make cheesy mushroom Spanish omelet. It's a very great option for Sunday brunch. I can't wait to make it. Let's start.
Cut half of the onion halfway through and cut the other side later. Set it aside. Take out the tail. Slice. Set it aside. Beat 2 eggs. Add a little bit of salt. A teaspoon of butter. Add a little bit of the oil to avoid burning the butter. Onion. Mushroom. Salt, pepper. When you see the onion is caramelized here, add a cup of spinach. See, the pile of the spinach before has been shrinked into this much. It's like little magic here. Add oil. Cover the bottom of the pan. The key to make a really good omelet is to keep the pan at a moderate low heat. Add egg mixture. Add a handful of cheese here. You can add any amount you like. If you want to make it cheesy, add more cheese. And the stir-fried vegetables in. Move the vegetables on one side. And I'm going to flip over. Okay. Cook a little bit more time. And I'm going to set it on a plate. 1, 2, flip over. Good. And to make the front on the top, I'm going to use another plate. Cover and flip over. Oh my god! With some parsley flakes. Oh my god, I'm getting excited. I'm going to see the cheese. Oh my god. I'm going to cut one piece and eat. Oh, guys, my omelet, my ultimate omelet. I just ate a piece right here, but I'll taste it for you guys. Right now it's Sunday, I haven't eaten breakfast yet. It's perfect for me. Okay, happy brunch. It's multi-layered taste. There's some tenderness from the mushroom, crunchiness from the onion, and the milky, cheesy flavor from the butter and cheese. And the egg by itself is tasty. Oh my god! How lovely is this dish! Hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time!